Hi, it's Emmy here from This Kawaii Life, and today we will be making this fella. So this is a Dratini and Lapras Nanobeads. So I've made one of these Nanobeads already, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. Just involves the iron, which, you know, no one really likes to iron, right? Right? I know I don't. So pretty much the only time it comes out is when I'm making something crafty wise, not actually ever ironing shirts. So we'll give this one a go. You guys can watch me make it and I'll give a little review at the end. Bye. We are all done. They're really cute. I love pixel Pokemon things, obviously, on my channel if you have a look at anything else that I've done. And yeah, so these are fun and easy enough to make. They're just fiddly more than anything else. I don't have the right tweezers. So I'm my own worst enemy. But, you know, still really fun. Good way of burning an hour and a half or however long they take me to make. And then, yeah, the results are pretty cool. So very simple. Great little cheap craft where you don't really need much more than what you probably already have on hand. So pretty good. Do recommend. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon.